Hello everyone, I'm Ziptic Nature. Did you see some parts for the gearbox behind me? Today I'm going to take you through the assembly process of the gearbox. What we're assembling today is a big 5-speed transmission. It's powered by a 465Q engine, suitable for Chang'an models. Now please follow my lens. Get to know the entire assembly process of the gearbox. Follow our footage. We saw some parts of the output shaft. For example, there are synchronizers, gears, and bushings and bearings. And next to them, we saw the casing of a gearbox. And then we go this way. It is some parts of the intermediate shaft and some bearings. There is also an input shaft and a tooth ring for the fourth gear. Then next, what we see is a fork. And then this component is the extension box. We learned so much about accessories. How do they assemble a gearbox? Here is our master. Give us a detailed introduction to the assembly process. Please follow my camera. Now our master assembles the output shaft. We can see that our master's technique is very skillful. While mounting, the gear is also driven for rotation tests. So now the assembly of our output shaft has been installed. Everyone, please follow my camera. Let's take a closer look. Our output shaft has been assembled. Next, we will assemble the intermediate shaft and the input shaft. Now insert the intermediate shaft into the gearbox housing. Let's take a look at how the master operates. Now you can see that the under housing has been assembled. We turn the gear in reverse. The shaft of the entire intermediate shaft will also rotate together. Now our master is holding a clutch fork. Master succeeded in attaching the clutch fork to the upper housing of the gearbox. Then master reinforced the other side of the upper housing. The upper housing has been assembled. We see a clutch fork and gear forks. They are first and second gear, reverse gear and third and fourth gear fork. It's all assembled. Now we can see that the output and input axes have been spliced. We put in the under housing of the gearbox. Then turn either bearing. You can see the gears of the gearbox are turning. Let's take a closer look. How does the gear shift work inside the gearbox? This is first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear. Finally, reverse gear. Next, we attach the upper case of the gearbox. Our transmission is almost complete. Below we see the extension box of the gearbox. Next, we need to install the extension box on the output shaft side. This piece of equipment I'm holding here is called a shift mechanism. It will be mounted in this position in the gearbox, act as a gear shift. This is the assembly for our entire transmission. If you need more products and details, please feel free to contact us. Welcome to inquire. We're online 24 hours a day. Thanks for watching. Bye.